When most travelers think of Greek islands, Poros Island rarely makes the list, but we're here to show you why it should. Just a short ferry ride from Athens, this underrated paradise has everything you'd want in a Greek island escape. Stunning beaches with crystal clear water, charming streets, delicious food, and breathtaking views, all without the massive crowds. In this video, we'll show you the best things to see and do on Poros, and why it deserves a spot on your Greek travel list.
Good morning from beautiful Poros Island. If you're new here, we're Diana and Daniel sharing our travel experiences to inspire your next adventure. In our last video, we explored Nafplio, a beautiful coastal town here in Greece, and today we're exploring this beautiful, quiet, scenic island.
We're starting the day off here at the Russian Dockyard, where you can see actually ruins of an old Russian dock.
So cool.
So cool. And just in the front of it is a beautiful, beautiful beach with lots of space. There's launches that you can actually rent, lots of parking here, and it's actually really quiet.
Yeah, I mean, it is morning at 9 a.m., so I think everyone's probably
still having the breakfast.
We are here early, but it is quiet, and generally, yesterday too, as we were exploring the island, it is a more quiet island. It's beautiful. I like this beach because of the mountain backdrop. There's even a cute little island in the front. There are quite a few boats
I would
say
say that's the only downside.
But don't you worry, we're gonna show you different beaches, so you're gonna find something that you like.
There is even a small little bar and cafe here. Now, it is closed at the moment. I don't know if it's because it's that early or if it's because it's a little bit already in the off season and they don't open during the week. But pretty convenient to have because there's not a lot else around here.
Back in 1834, the Russians built warehouses here to supply their ships as they supported Greece in the fight for independence from the Turks. Today, it's one of the most unique beaches on the island. Just a short 10-minute walk away is Love Bay, a perfect spot for a morning coffee. This little cove is surrounded by lush pine trees, calm turquoise water, and smooth pebbles. It's undeniably beautiful, but because it's so small, the rows of lounge chairs can make it feel a little bit crowded.
On Poros Island, you can also visit a monastery. You'll want to drive up here though because the roads are pretty steep and it would be a very, very long walk if you wanted to walk it. So definitely that's not an option. But it's awesome to check out. It's so peaceful up here, very quiet. I love the trees. There's so many amazing looking trees, and we even saw some goats. So cute. But seriously, the views of the bay here are amazing. So definitely a great spot to check on the island. And also nearby there is another beach. Honestly, there's so many cute little beaches on this island. I absolutely love it. But there is one that is our favorite, which we will show you after lunch.
Built in 1720, this monastery is definitely worth a stop, and there's even a charming little cafe right next to it. Monastiri Beach below is a beautiful spot for swimming and relaxing. The best part about Poros being such a small island is that everything is close by, so you can easily explore it all in just one day.
For lunch, we stopped by at Askeli Beach restaurant. Such a really cute looking beach restaurant with a few lounge chairs in the front. We got a variety of things, some hummus, Greek salad, which we actually almost get every single day since we're here. We love it, the capers, the olives, oh, so good. And for the first time, sardines. I really have to try them. They're usually really good, a little bit salty, nicely charred. Oh, look at this. Wow. So good. Like I said, a little bit of salty, lemon drizzled over top. Delicious.
Lunch was delicious. We just dropped off our car back at our accommodation, which by the way is incredible.
I love it. The balcony overlooking the sea. Very spacious. We have a little kitchenette in it. Very big bedroom as well. Honestly, for that value.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. We highly recommend staying at Panorama Apartments. So spacious. Like you said, incredible views, but the best part is how close it is to our favorite beach on the island,
Askeli
Beach. It's just a few minutes away, and I am excited to soak up the sunshine. I can't wait to show you why this is our favorite beach. The reason why we love Askeli Beach is because it's really long and there's lots of space. Also, one amazing thing here is that you can actually get lounge chairs for minimum consumption of 15 euros, which is awesome because on other beaches it's actually around 15 to 20 euros just a fee for the lounge chairs. So that is awesome. And the water is calm and clear. You have beautiful views. It's such a beautiful beach and the perfect spot to relax.
Askeli Beach became the spot we kept coming back to. It even has a water sports center if you're looking for a bit of adventure. What makes Poros unique is that it's actually 2 islands connected by a bridge, with the beaches on the far side away from town. For such a small island, it's amazing how many different beach options you'll find here.
Poros Island not only has amazing beaches, but also a really charming town. I love the houses built on the cliff. It is so picturesque.
It is so cool. So many little alleyways that you can just like stroll around. But there is also an amazing port harbor where there's tons of sailboats. They're so cool to look at. Honestly, not really a sailing expert, but there's tons of catamarans, normal sailboats, whatever you call them, they're really cool.
Honestly, I love looking at architecture, but looking at boats is just as much fun, even though I don't know much about them. I love looking at the different designs, but also really fun to look and read all the names of the different boats. Be prepared to go up and down a lot of stairs and to stop pretty much at every corner to take photos because it is so cute. There's so many narrow streets. Honestly, it's a maze. It's very easily to get lost in here, but beautiful flowers, and I love the architecture, all the white and blues, just so many flowers on every corner. It is so cute. I'm probably gonna say that a million times, but seriously, it's such a fun place to explore.
It is actually easy to get lost in all the narrow streets, looking at the flowers, and everything is so well maintained. Honestly, the community here is taking so much care of everything. That little alley up here with the blue painted staircase up looks so cute. And also if you walk around more in the upper areas, there's tons of tavernas as well. We actually ate at Taverna Platanus, I hope I remember that correctly, yesterday. Really good, but make sure you're hungry there, because their grill platter, honestly, could feed an army. It was humongous, but it was actually really good, right?
It was delicious, but oh my goodness, I was so full. One spot you can't miss on Poros Island is the clock tower. You can actually see it from all around, wherever you are in the town.
Yeah, amazing views from anywhere on the pier. And actually the views from up here are stunning as well. Almost 360-degree views over the pier, over the mainland over there as well, and amazing sunset views.
Yes, it's starting to get busier and busier as it's right before sunset, and wow, that lighting is perfection.
The clock tower is a must visit on Poros. Built in 1927, it's the island's most iconic landmark, offering the best panoramic views over the town and the sea. From up here, watching the boats glide across the water is magical. And at sunset, the lighting is absolutely beautiful, casting a golden glow over the whole island.
What a beautiful sunset and a beautiful day exploring Poros Island.
Such a beautiful tiny little island, very close to Athens actually, just an hour with a ferry, or very easy to reach from other destinations like Nafplion, anywhere on the Peloponnese. I mean, the ferry literally takes only 5 minutes from just over there. So close.
Beautiful beaches, charming town, beautiful sunset.
Amazing views from the clock tower.
It's such an overlooked island and definitely highly recommend checking out. We loved it and we can't wait to show you more of Greece, so make sure you subscribe and comment below. Let us know what your favorite beach or favorite part of the island is, and we can't wait to show you more.
See you in the next one. Bye.